What happens when a robot roams around us and does a front flip? That's exactly what's happening in China right now. Engine AI, a star in China's robotics scene, has just stunned the world with footage of its PM01 humanoid robot performing a flawless front flip. It's a move that even senior engineers consider an extreme challenge. But this robot isn't just flipping. It's also interacting with civilians, roaming through tourist centers, and being tested for police work. Let that sink in for a moment or so. We now have humanoid robots now capable of acrobats and public service, walking among people like it's normal. The flip heard around the internet. In the now viral clip by Engine AI, the PM01 is seen standing upright before launching into a clean front flip, landing on both feet. The first version of the stunt was done without the robot's head, giving it a horrifying appearance. But the second attempt, with its head attached, was even more impressive and less scary. The engineers behind the project can be heard clapping and cheering in the background, clearly shocked by what they'd just witnessed. Why this is such a big deal? So you might be thinking, why is this such a big deal? First of all, even humans require a lot of practice before performing things such as stunts. But for a robot to achieve this level of acrobats is alarming. And honestly, I have seen many videos, and most robots just straight out crash to the ground. This is because the robot has to shift its weight forward while jumping. The maneuver is much more difficult to control. Mid-air correction is nearly impossible, so the robot needs to calculate every detail before launching. The fact that PM01 pulls this off shows how advanced its internal software and mechanics are. It's not just about cool moves, it's about proving that these robots can handle the shifts in balance, which is necessary in today's environments. Whether it's slipping on a curb or navigating rocky pavement, the ability to correct and land on your feet is very important. Now walking among us. But Engine AI isn't just stopping at flashy stunts. The real shocker came shortly after the flip. The PM01 was shown walking around the Shenzhen Tourist Information Center, moving through real people and taking pictures. It navigated its environment easily without bumping into people or causing a scene. And here's the best part. There were no safety measures and no overly controlled environment, just a robot casually strolling through a heavily crowded space. I don't know about you, but watching a humanoid robot confidently walk through public places feels like we've crossed yet another boundary. Meet PM01. Small body, big statement. The PM01 is an Agile humanoid robot, first revealed by Engine AI in December 2024. It was designed as a scaled-down version of the company's flagship, E01 humanoid robot, which had already blown away the tech community earlier with its lifelike walking. Standing at 1.38 meters tall and weighing 40 kilograms, the PM01 is 27 centimeters shorter and 8 kilograms lighter than the SE01. This gives it a crucial edge in dynamic activities like flips and agile navigation. With a lower center of gravity, PM01 can take on stunts that would crush heavier robots. Right now, reactions are mixed. On platforms like Weibo and Twitter X, some people are awestruck by the tech. This is like living in a science fiction movie, incredible progress from China. Some are a bit more skeptical. Cool, but also terrifying. What happens when they start replacing real cops? Looks impressive, but I hope this doesn't lead to mass surveillance robots. As someone watching all this unfold, I can't help but feel a strange mix of amazement and disbelief. On one hand, it's actually exciting to see humanoids becoming capable and coordinated enough to roam around in our world. On the other, we're clearly racing toward a future where humans and robots will share the same spaces, not just at work, but also in public life. And I don't know how to feel about that. So what sets PM01 apart? In the world of Chinese humanoid robots, PM01 is competing, and I might even say overtaking, the Unitree G1 and Booster Robotics, T1. PM01 is quickly building a reputation for itself due to affordability. Engine AI hasn't released its official prices yet, but sources say it's even cheaper than Unitree's $166,000. G1, agility, thanks to its lighter build and smart design, it is agile and walks beautifully. Real-world readiness, it's not sitting in a lab like a science experiment. It's already roaming through public buildings and working with the police. And this might be the biggest shift of all. PM01 is not just made for engineers, it's actually filling roles in society. We're closer than you think. Watching PM01 walk and patrol makes one thing clear to me. We're not waiting for cool robots anymore. They're already here. China is moving fast, placing advanced humanoids not just as simple experiments, but as part of their life. We used to joke that robots would take over our world. This joke isn't funny anymore, because they might be ready to take a selfie with you at a tourist center or give you a warning in a public square. Whether you think it's amazing or just terrifying, you can't ignore it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more information on AI robots